Sup, fucker? I shit the bed today. And fair warning, viewer discretion is advised. This is some of the worst trading I've had in a couple months now. So I ended off green $5, and I was red for 90% of the day, and I just barely got green at the end. And I was like, all right, calling it there. I should have been up at least decent today based off the movement. So in this one, for my review today, I kind of just want to go through and see where I could have done better, and if I can get a feel for the ones that I shit the bed on. HMR and ADTX, the only ones I was green on today. So let's check it out. Started off on SCNX. Long amount of consolidation right at VWAP, so I figured we might get a decent pop off open. I take a fucking stinker of a loser early. Let's see how bad this was. That one buying high, so I just had to cut. Just in late there.
Did it print over?
I think that was
No, I didn't think so.
I think that was the case of today, honestly. Just not realizing that I had to anticipate early enough. And then once I realized I did, I chose a lot of bad spots that costed me, along with not focusing in the right areas. Let's see. I know I took like a $10 loser.
Yeah. Fucking kill that bitch.
Oh yeah, big old mosquito.
What the fuck?
Grabbing a tissue for it.
The fuck?
What happened?
Biggest bitch.
I think the loss is right here. I want to see this big loss, and then I want to see.
Oh!
Look at this. Toasted. Let's see what it looks like. Okay. It didn't print over 14 on that candle where it looks like it did. I know that. I remember that. And it looks like, alright, this might make a run for it. Maybe a quick dip into VWAP.
No.
What?
Even watch it. Hold on now. Let's see what happened. Okay. Buying there when I see the volume come in on the tape. Get in 310.
No.
Insta cut out 303. I'm not gonna complain just because this is gonna be a lose regardless, but just kind of unlucky on the fills. And early on on a lot of these names, it looked like it was looked like, all right, this is gonna be a move here, and it would fail, and that happened enough times to where we were both like, fucking hands up. And then still, I wasn't careful enough. Didn't conserve my energy for the actual good movers today.
It's just gonna make me rage.
That was like a whatever unhalt. BINC. Should I have taken this loser on it? Let's see. Looking for the break at 25.
Oh, fuck.
I how weak it started off, I shouldn't be looking for this many breakout trades and buying this high. I did that way too many times today.
No.
With how weak the market was early on, at least.
Yeah, it's got a lot of volume.
Held it there again. ADTX. If I remember correctly. Sorry. ADTX was
I can't get filled. Okay,
Oh.
that's fun. I bought and then my order just hovered.
this was the one I
That
couldn't
was
figure out
obvious as fuck.
Let's look back at this move.
This could go.
Okay.
So I should add it.
Not a lot of volume at the moment. Underview up. But big flush that did soak back up, so this new candle I should be looking for an entry probably. And I do kind of unlucky there. Just got in a little late. Got in high. I
Oh,
got in so
sorry,
high.
Freddie. Okay. This could go hold for sure. Ah, fuck. Dip.
That big move I should be looking at there.
Nice.
A little late on it, so I had to cut quick.
Push the hall.
One for the break 6. Hall level 613. Held it there again. Held it there. What were they holding? Yeah, 80. Held it there again. Soaked it twice there.
I can't get filled. Okay, that's
Oh.
fine. I bought and then my order just hovered.
And then it's still sitting up here. I should. Yeah.
Oh. I can't get
Boom.
filled. Okay, that's
Little
fine.
dip under. It
bought
holds. It
and
holds.
then
It
my
holds.
order just hovered.
Boom. Goes for the hold.
That was obvious as fuck.
Yeah, they held it there again when I didn't. That was obvious. Yeah.
I tried to.
Can't hesitate on days like today. FCNX again. Couldn't get anything going early on.
was gonna
Really.
say, that
Couldn't
seems
get anything
fast.
going.
46.
Period.
07.
I think it's super thin. I gotta be careful.
I do best when I can be patient. When I can eventually find a name where it's a semi-consistent mover and I can stay on it, lock in on the movement. Which, come to think of that, I should probably do that more often. And just, if I am able to make money on something, even if it's down, I should just fucking stay on it. But with the market as of late, that hasn't been the case. So, Jesus. Looks like it's ADTX on hold. Jesus. I mean, this is just crazy. I'm fine staying out of stuff like this because it could go either way. I feel like I already missed the bulk of it. The risk reward just isn't worth it at this point.
Yeah, they should keep
Unless
on
I'm able to
50.
get in, like, for example, in this case, is it like 50s would be a decent level to give it a stab. Take a stab 60s.
50s again.
Boom.
They
Could've
should
added
hold
there.
58 every single.
Could have been up like 10 cents at least. Do they start holding it higher? I forget. Hold level's at 732 right now.
Oh,
High
yeah.
enough to where they probably do want to break it. Take a stab high there. Now dip maybe right under 50 or just break through 7. No. kind of looked like they were gonna hold it, but still a little high. Now looking for right under 50.
60.
See where they hold it, maybe.
Mm,
Boom.
alright, whatever, it's fine.
75. This goes green.
A lot of
Should've
wash
added right
volume.
there.
I think Wyatt's hit early on this thing as well, but you can really see. At a
I'm
lot
only
of
buying
points, it's
dips on
just,
this. I'm not fucking.
like, I shouldn't be buying that high there. I thought this closing up like this and buy one coming in, it might send it, but
I'm only buying dips on this. I'm not fucking.
It's gonna be
not really worth it to try to take that trade. I think this
Ah, I
does break
shouldn't have
7 here.
holding it up.
Holding it up high. 72 it holds.
You're such a rat.
Comes right back
95,
down. 72 again.
You're just gonna teleport it.
There's under. Big bid there at 63 that it comes down into. I try to avoid if it's. Let me think of how to explain this. If a stock is sitting at a level, whether it's low volume or it's just stuck there, like a hidden seller or an actual seller, whatever it may be, and a bid comes in, a big bid comes in after it's been sitting there, I'll generally add with that in hopes that for an instant push, along with if it's on its way up, whether I'm in or not already. If a big bid comes in when it's on its way up, that'll be a good sign for me. I'll either hold it or I'll add with that. But when it's coming down into the bids, I'm a little more hesitant, even though there, like, the bid wasn't sitting there and hadn't tapped it already, so it was a little bit safer. But I generally avoid when it comes down into that bid, just because a lot of times it'll do a quick fake, then the bid will disappear and then it'll flush down below 10 cents or whatever it may be.
Why do you hesitate?
Obviously it depends, it varies, it's very case sensitive, but just as a general, just in general, I will avoid it when it falls into a bid like that.
Oh, that was bad. What?
And in that case,
Oh, why do you hesitate?
let's see, the bid's at 63,
Oh, why do you hesitate?
goes up a few cents. Like that time I could have been cutting there for, and then it just falls right below the bid. Ooh,
No, that was bad.
this thing's
What?
just- it was wild early
How
on.
the fuck did I just get filled?
It
at
really
72?
discouraged me and made me not
Whatever.
think that it was the best option of the day.
this movement today. I'm struggling. Not right now, at least.
So ADTX, I mean, look at this thing.
What?
I'm looking at SCX when I'm already haven't been doing well on it.
Yeah, I'm just
And
gonna
Looks like this. I should not be. I should be looking at
Give us
ADTX. That
dollar
one's got the
break of
volume.
stock. Go like 130s. That's all we need.
I'm asking for a stock in the dollar range to have a lot of volume. I really like the dollar break on the pennies.
gonna go.
and then
Oh my god.
when it's
so
got volume, the dollar
obvious.
stocks, I am a fan of them.
Just late.
I generally can do pretty well on them. $1 to $3 with volume is generally. And like, look, I missed this
Why don't I add there?
because I'm looking at that. But $1 to $3 with volume, and
Can I add it?
a lot of times I can.
Can't do it now.
feel the flow of it a lot better and do better on those. But on days like this, where something like this is going, I need to adapt and be able to trade it, figure out how it's moving, figure out how to make money on it. And today I shit the bed on it. I forgot how high this thing goes, but
No, dip closer to 7.
it gave a lot.
Oh, I looked away for a quarter of a second.
Right under.
Looking for this dip right under 7.
It's not gonna come down as far as that.
Obviously, 699 would be ideal, that previous high, but anywhere under 7 is kind of where I'm looking at this point. But now, if the candle were to close up like that and buyers were to come in, then I would kind of have to take another stab at it. But let's see what ends up happening.
Doing 10.
709 there.
Should have
Boom.
added. Why didn't...
It's a good entry. Still getting in high. Let's see. Is there hesitation? I thought it was going to come under 7.
Should have added. Why
It's
didn't...
kind of unlucky, got filled on the ass there. 2 cents, so break even. I mean, even looking at it now, this thing wasn't necessarily easy, but I definitely could have done a lot better. So much fucking.
Oh, and then it breaks. So,
Breaks by a penny. Holds up, then goes more. Give us a fucking chance, man. Yeah, I mean, it wasn't easy, but then I should be still trying to figure out ADTX at this point. I shouldn't be coming over here and waste my time on this. Oh, HMR. Fuck.
that hurt.
HMR.
Oh yeah, this looks good. Daily setup looks great.
Probably per dip 67, or it might come lower. Just looking to see where it holds. It's starting to get a little bit of volume. It's holding there 70. Just waiting to see some buyers there 65. Ooh, getting a little high just because I wanted some confirmation. That was my mistake of the
why
day.
Just,
Like on the on the charts, these things look like, man, I should have been fucking, it looks so easy. I mean, look at these, look at the charts. Then it's like the movement just wasn't it. And I,
no, I got into. Oh, what the fuck? I'll take that. That was lucky. I'm gonna be honest.
how,
Oh, what the fuck?
I got in, let's see that. That's just unlucky. And
Oh, I got into.
58.5
What
even.
the fuck? I'll take it.
I thought I was in lower. That's why I tried to give
How-
that a second. I was like, oh, nice.
Okay.
Grab
I
the
don't know how
bottom
I took
there.
that for a loss.
No,
I
sir.
thought I bottom ticked it.
Yeah, I said it right there too. I thought I bottom ticked it. So thinking this is gonna go green. So
Oh.
it's fine. Oh shit.
shit.
Boom! Break 74. Gotta sell. Good timing.
What
Right
the
back into
fuck?
it. Holding down 74.
Okay,
And then it just teleports over.
quick dip.
Story of today.
I'm sucking ass, bro.
I got.
Ah! Yeah. Get that shit out. Fucking shitter.
Buying late.
Just getting in late. Getting in too high.
Might pop.
That was
Shit,
the
what
story of today. Boom. Look at this thing, man. Did I come over here before it made this
My
candle?
God.
Alright, I'm here.
Of course.
65's that high. It's already over 50.
Oh my god,
It's just a
bro.
lot of back and forth.
It's
It would have
gonna
been nice to be able to get in low on this thing when you know. Yeah. And then just be holding through all this fucking wash volume and this back and forth. But
Oh.
I don't know. It's just not really, it's not my strategy, so it's not something that I'm comfortable doing. But then trying to scalp this thing, it just felt like I just couldn't really tell the difference of like all this wash volume and when the actual move was gonna happen. So I'm definitely gonna do a little bit of a
I caught that winner
deeper
and lost
dive.
$80.
Later on tonight to try to figure out this movement a little bit more. HMR. Thing was kind of like whatever early on. Like I am small red on it. It's a decent. Let's see this.
Okay.
77. I'm still like that one worked out, but it's just like kind of
fucking
adding weight.
forcing. Or
I don't know.
not even.
Dip into 77.
Ah.
Doesn't count. Adding late there, but it pays off. Shouldn't have though. That one could have easily been a loser. Just not smart trading today. I didn't feel great in the morning. Not an excuse guy. Didn't feel great in the morning. Didn't get a whole lot of sleep, but not an excuse guy. Hand up accountability. Traded like shit.
No.
Oh, you little sleazeball.
Look at this. Why does it take? Look at this.
No.
Oh,
Okay,
you
good
little
cut.
sleazeball.
It's fine. Boom. Nope. Could already be break even or up a cent on this, but instead I added late. Put
For
myself
once
into
in
a
your
losing
fucking life. Do something, you shitbag.
Put myself into a losing
For
position.
real. Break.
So at this point I'm red 20 bucks. I feel like I can't get anything going.
This one.
This is
Lucky
when
I
I should probably take a should have taken a 5-minute break and
That's on a fail.
reevaluate what I was doing wrong. Break 87 should send it through 91 here. There it is.
Oh, fuck.
And it goes. Oh. Yeah, not happy about that timing. Something much worse than that. Add for the break of 87. Boom. Doesn't do what I want it to. I sell. Ends up going.
Oh, fuck.
Break of 90, 91. Add for it. They hold it down. It looks, I mean, I could have given this one an extra second, but I thought that it should have gone through right there. So I'm cutting. Goes. Whoop. I lose like 2 cents overall. on that,
92 I got in. How?
Instead of,
What?
6 or however many that would have been.
Let's go for a 4 break.
So that's an 8-cent swing on that. At this point, I'm laughing at myself. It's kind of unbelievable. It doesn't break 4 here. I remember this was the high for the entire day, except for I think it broke in the last 10 minutes, if I'm not mistaken. Can actually see because yeah, 95 came up, tapped 94, 93 a couple times here. And then it ended up coming through and breaking only up to like 404, which I did catch. I can probably see it actually. Yeah. I did catch that one. Anyway. Fuck is this trade? Looking for the dip in a 36, but it doesn't come as low as I want. But then I hesitate, getting high once again. Add there, but instead I'm adding up there. 8 cents higher than what I would have wanted. Forced me to insta cut for break even instead of taking a 10-cent winner on it. No hesitation tomorrow. That's the goal. Anticipate where I need to be anticipating, and putting myself in winning positions, hopefully. Because today I did not do that. So it looks like it might go. Does it end up? HMR is back up. Once again, I think it just taps this and then fails. Did I try that 77 dip? Fun.
Okay. It's just
80 right there, that little high that I
80.
should have marked instead of 77.
It's just
Oh no, I tried a little.
okay. It's just 380.
Boom.
Why does this have to act this?
Weird movement today. Not an excuse though. I should be green. 80 TX again through 75. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Holding high.
Oh, I missed it.
Could have added there and then cut it for maybe a small winner. Boom. Let's see that one again. Breaks over 75.
85.
Holds up though.
Oh,
Buyers come in. Could be cutting their break even or small winner. Boom, add there.
Man, oh man, oh man. Rev up those fryers, 'cause I sure am hungry.
Weirdo. Waste my time looking at that. ADTX back up again. I think probably the most ideal would have been getting in low on these and trying to kind of let them work a little bit longer than I usually would. Not necessarily holding a lot longer, but just getting myself like looking for opportunities to get in low enough just to be in a position where I can let it work instead of getting in fucking at the high or right near the high. Like there. Sell there. Like even that little dip. Obviously you kind of have to trust it a little more and like anticipate, but it comes down by there as it holds. And then maybe up like 10 cents on it. I don't know. Later tonight I'm gonna do a closer look at the movement and try to see if I can figure it out for future reference. I mean that one looked a little more straightforward, but it also a lot of it looked straightforward and then it wouldn't go just like that, so I don't know. I was having a tough time. Got a little frustrated, but ended up coming back to technically $5 green, but after fees, break even basically, so I don't know, y'all.
Can you charge us a bit? It's only like 60.
Yeah, I'll plug it into the charger right there. I'll do it for you.
I got it. I see it.
Okay. Is it working?
Just trying.
Hey. You want to say what's up to the recording?
Huh?
You want to say hi to the camera for the recording?
What recording?
I'm just recording my review.
Hey, how's it going? Don't forget me.
So you might get
Alright.
a big pop.
Unhold. This thing might go as well. On ADTX. Let's watch this one, shall we? 53 is the high. Can't believe I was.
Oh my I opened.
Boom.
Oh my I opened.
I just watched it. Definitely an opportunity there. Oh, here. Yeah. I mean, a lot of missed opportunity. um, 10.
Fuck.
This thing go 11. But
No, this one.
it just happened today, and I already forgot. I don't know. Ton of missed opportunity. I think-
Something O? Playing who? I know. Happy Gilmore 2 official teaser trailer. Oh.
Yeah, I ended the recording $5 red. I kind of bounced around that. I went like $2 green, $12 red, $5 green, and I was like, all right, today's not my day. Except the fact that I shit the bed today and come back and try again. So $5 on the day, a green day in the calendar at the least. So we'll take that. Trying to keep the green days go. Oh, don't want to look at it too much. But so far so good on the green days at the very least. Wow. So yeah, I'm gonna go back later. Look at ADTX in a little bit more detail, along with the other ones that I shit the bed on. But yeah, if you're watching, thanks for watching. But it's really just myself, so thanks me. Spring Green Green.